Hello, and welcome to Check It Out with Rich. While we was at the 2025 Hershey RV show, I decided to spend some money. It might be too much for this, but we got the MorRyde I-Beam Stabilizer. Now, keep in mind, you can do the same thing with 2x4s, which would be a lot cheaper. I think this was $150, Beck? Okay, and previously I always used the Volterra. I think the Volterra goes for around $50 or $60. It is pretty good. It's just a pain in the butt setting up sometimes. So we're going to try this out. Hopefully I didn't waste $150. Okay, so let's get this opened up and we'll see what all's in here. So we have one leg, the other leg, ratchet strap, packing material, some directions I don't think we'll need, but we'll hold on to them for a minute here. The bag seems half decent. Not saying how long it's going to last, but it does seem half decent. Okay, now MorRyde makes a couple other style. They make one that goes, I believe, around your drawbar, and also makes one that goes into your receiver hitch. Now, they have bigger feet on it. I actually like the feet on the other ones a little bit better than these, but these are actually the same as the Volterra. So what you want to do, you want to make sure this part is facing in. And then this part here will go up onto your frame. So we want to take this pin out. And you can extend it. Now, there's quite a few holes. We got 7 holes to extend it. So let's see what we need here. By the way, there's water dripping here. Becky informed me that that is from the AC. Just in case you were wondering, it's from the AC.
Wise guy.
Okay, you want to get up here? Okay, so we're going to put that there. Okay, and then we're going to take our pin here and find a happy spot, which looks about there. I'm trying to do this one-handed because this mysterious water is all here and I don't want to get wet. Okay, so that's how it hooks up. Now, if you're using the 2x4s, you would put your 2x4 up into here and then do the same thing. Okay, another nice thing about this is you can mount it anywhere along your frame. It just doesn't have to be the back. You can do it in the front. You can do it back by your stairs if you got a little bit of shakiness back air. So, all right, let's go in the back and we'll finish setting it up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this one on. I'm gonna set it at about the same length as the other one. And put that on. And it should be pretty close. I think we look good there. All right, next thing we wanna put the strap on. So let me grab the strap because it's way over there where that mysterious water's leaking at. I just hope the strap's long enough. So what we wanna do, we want to hook the strap on here, and then we're going to go to the other side. Okay, and we're going to put this one on there, give it a pull, but first we're going to give the camper a little bit of a shake, just so we can see what this does. So you can see it's shaking pretty good. Okay, so next thing we want to do, go ahead and take up the slack. You want to tighten it up real good. I wouldn't go super nuts with it where you end up breaking it, but it's pretty tight right there. So let's give it a shake and we'll see. Ready? What do you think?
Much better. The true test will be when I'm in the bedroom and you're dancing around in the living room.
Don't tell people I dance around in the living room. Yeah, I think that took it out pretty good. That's a lot easier to set up than the Volterra. I also did a review on the Beach Lane one. And Beach Lane Volterra was about the same. The way it sets up is a little wonky. But yeah, I'm kind of liking that. I don't think it's worth $150. I'd maybe do 60, 70. What do you think?
Well, since
50?
you've already spent
I know.
$150
Yeah,
on it.
I did buy this, so this wasn't given to me. But yeah, it's a little expensive, but it definitely does the job, and it does compact very nice into one little bag. Okay, one thing I should have mentioned, my good friend Joe brought it up, is as compared to the Volterra, I have to put this up to get it on, and it's still a royal pain. But with the MorRyde, I can leave the bike rack down and still put this up without any problem whatsoever. I can even have the bikes on here. So thanks, Joe. So, all right. Once again, thanks for checking it out. We'll see you all next time. Bye.